See, we are under some
Even if,
disillusion that we can fix people.
mm,
But the gag is, ain't
yeah,
shit wrong with us.
oh,
Ain't nothing wrong with us. See,
oh my
we
goodness. Whew.
have lived under a cloak where if something went right in our lives, we could share the glory with ourselves and what we called God. But
Yes, ma'am.
soon
You
as
are right about
something
it.
went wrong, then all of a sudden
Yep.
there is a devil, there is some evil person,
Oh,
there is
girl,
something
now you telling my
outside of
business.
ourselves, there is a disgruntled ancestor, there is some spirit that got lost and can't find their way. And that is the reason. And that sort of allows us to kind of float in the middle and take no responsibility for our own steps, our own action, and our own soul. We get to
You don't have
do
to
it.
tell my business like seriously.
You know,
Good grief.
we get to get in that space and say, "Oh, I know what came over me. Someone put a spell on me. My family is cursed. It was an evil ancestor. Something
Never me.
was on me." Suddenly
Mm.
we become powerless. We are the most powerful, magnificent beings. We have come back in this time with more spiritual and physical power and even mental power than all the civilizations before us.
Known. You are right about it. Yes,
Get
ma'am.
it? We really
I
have.
totally received that. Yes, ma'am. I do. I
But
do. I do receive that for
soon as
sure.
shit go to the left, it's someone
Then
else's
we
fault.
try to